Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make your added pops by adding sound effects to your videos using VN Video Editor. So in here, I've already opened the VN applications. So in your edit, sound effects are the secret ingredient that takes a good video to a viral video. Here, let's just start by clicking on a plus button and start a new project on VN, and you can just choose your video. So for example, in here, I'm going to use 3 videos like this, and I'm going to add a sound effects in between the clips. So let me trim the clip first. Okay, to add transitions, you can click on the plus button in here and choose the transitions that you preferred. So for example, I'm going to go with circle for the first one, and for the next one, let's add another one in here, and you can just find the sound effects that match with I'm going to go with glitch for the second one. And now I'm going to click on tap to add music in here at the top. Click on effects, and here in VN, as you guys can see, the sound effect is divided into some category. There are cartoon, fast switch, funny, vehicles, vlog, transition. Let's try transition first. So I'm going to, let's say, use this one, quick whoosh. Okay, I think I'm going to use this whoosh glitch for the first the first transition. So you can just drag the sound effect to match with the transition. So I'm going to drag it so that it aligns when the transition happens. Okay, let's trim it first and drag it like this. Okay, so now it match. I'm going to trim it again and now add for the second one. I'm going to add another one in here. So for this one, let's try okay, I'm going to use this one, the travel. Again, you can align the sound effect with the transition. So that's basically it. That's how you can add sound effects to your videos using VN. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.